Jungheinrich. 60 years of passion for logistics. The foundation stone for this passion was laid by Dr. Friedrich Jungheinrich. On the 7th of August 1953, he founded the H. Jungheinrich & Co. Maschinenfabrik in Hamburg. Meanwhile, what began as a small workshop in the Hamburg district of Barmbek has developed into a major international company. From early on, Dr. Friedrich Jungheinrich was committed to the growth of his business, both in Germany and in neighboring countries. After establishing the first foreign branch in Austria in 1956, the 1960s and 70s saw the establishment of further subsidiaries in other territories. And in so doing, the company founder placed his yellow forklift truck onto the global stage. Along the way, Jungheinrich has evolved from a producer of forklift trucks, starting at first with different brands, to a service provider with manufacturing operations and an intralogistics solution provider. At the beginning of the 21st century, Jungheinrich redefined its production and sales strategy. With a clear image focused on a single brand, Jungheinrich. Alongside the manufacture of forklift trucks, the renowned Hamburg company continuously expanded into the field of intralogistics solutions, financial services, and full-service solutions. Today, with its around 11,000 employees and a yearly turnover of over 2 billion euros, Jungheinrich is one of the top 3 companies in its field worldwide. Across its factories in Norderstedt, Lüneburg, Moosburg, Landsberg and Xingpu, production capacities are being expanded and modernized. In Moosburg, thanks to a new assembly concept, the manufacture of counterbalance trucks with hydrostatic drive has been standardized. First, the trucks from the series 3 to 5 are produced together in a single assembly line. Productivity is increased, and the production and logistics processes are optimized. And this benefits our customers, who use our products every day. Like Raiffeisen Agrar from Fürstenau in the region of Osnabrück. This cooperative agricultural company provides a wide selection of goods and services to the farming sector. The fast and competent Jungheinrich after-sales service guarantees the reliability of the vehicles. Service technicians can order original replacement parts on site, simply and directly. A particular strength of our spare part management is that we offer parts for all generations of vehicles, even those older than 30 years. The required parts are identified and passed on to our shipping department. From 3 storage locations, in Norderstedt, Lahr and Bratislava, and a stock of more than 80,000 different articles. Over 2.7 million spare parts are sent out per year, achieving an availability level of 98%. Spare parts ordered in the afternoon are transported overnight directly to our service technicians and loaded into their vans. Meaning our customers can rely on the availability of their trucks. A desire to provide exceptional service, a passion for innovation, and the professionalism of Jungheinrich's dedicated employees have proved throughout our history to be the key to our success. An example of this is the new EJE 112i featuring lithium-ion technology. It received its world premiere at CMAT in 2011. Was nominated for the Clean Tech Media Award and is the world's first pallet truck with lithium-ion technology to have entered mass production. It stands as an example of future-oriented technology made by Jungheinrich. Alongside Europe, the opening up of new dynamic markets is key to our growth. Among them, China is the most important. To meet the growing demand for material handling equipment in Southeast Asia, Jungheinrich has been present in China since 1997. In 2006, it set up a production site in Xingpu, in which high platform trucks, electric forklift trucks and reach trucks are produced. And in the future, vehicles specifically for the Asian market will be developed and produced here. Also in Xingpu, starting recently, used equipment is refurbished. Based on the very successful production line methods in Klipphausen near Dresden. As well as numerous international companies, Jungheinrich also counts local businesses among its customers. One of these is Sinotrans Limited, one of China's 3 largest logistics companies. The Sinotrans Group provides a wide variety of logistics services, from road, sea and air transport to storage, consignment and agency services. Jungheinrich is continuously strengthening its sales departments. Across the world, the company is represented in 100 countries, in 32 of these with its own high-performance direct sales and service network. Sustainable investments are the basis for successful growth. In total, Jungheinrich is investing 100 million euros in major strategic and future-oriented projects, including 18 million euros in the building of a new production site in Xingpu and around 40 million euros in a new factory for system trucks in Degenpoint near Moosburg. In this way, we're preparing for the growing importance of the systems business and the increasing demand for all-in-one logistical solutions. At a cost of 35 million euros, a new spare parts center is being built in Kaltenkirchen, north of Hamburg, ensuring Jungheinrich is ready for the future challenges of the spare parts business. And is able to offer its customers a state-of-the-art spare parts service. And today, 60 years later, our company culture still follows the example set by Dr. Friedrich Jungheinrich, reflected in our way of doing business and our working environment. We pride ourselves on visionary thinking, inspirational action, and holistic problem solving. Jungheinrich. Machines, ideas, solutions. 60 years of passion for logistics.